Coffee time. My new toy of the wife. Starbucks. In. Slide it across. Milk frother. Sorted. That froths it up. And look at the swirly goodness in there. Boom. I hope everyone had a nice Christmas. We had a wicked time. My wife's uncle took us all to a stately home where we spent Christmas for a couple of nights, so I feel blessed. We had a wicked time. Food was great. The chef was brilliant. And we had a good time. So I hope everyone had the same time, if not a better time. But the lock that I've got for you today is a Tesa Te5. And it's a difficult lock with respect to that it's got tapered driver pins, which means when you're picking the pins to shear line, the pin can go to shear line, but what happens is the driver pin, which is tapered, which is a smaller diameter than the top of the key pin, falls back into the plug. So you might have to pick each pin numerous amounts of times. Also, Locksport Anonymous is ploughed through 300 subscribers, absolutely buzzing. That's our Facebook group, so if you're not a member, head over. We've got a brilliant giveaway at the minute, sponsored by Andy Mack. He's got some Sparrows lockpicks and some stickers, and some Andy Mack stickers as well. So head over, all the links are in the description below. If you're not already a subscriber to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Like this video, leave your comments below. I will come back to yours. But yeah, enjoy the video. Right. Straight in with the picking. I'm going to go bottom of the keyway, medium hook, and we're going to start at the back. See if there's anything there worth picking. 4. Go click. 1 a little click. 5 a click. Nothing on 3, 2 or 1. So that means something at the back isn't where it needs to be. So this lock has got tapered edge driver pins in, which means when you pick the key pin to shear, the hole that's left between the plug and the chambers is wider than the bottom edge of the driver pins, which means that the driver pins are constantly falling into the gaps in between the shear line. So it makes for a very tricky pick because everything needs to be picked over and over again. And the bottom pins are very easy to overset also. Good bit of feedback flew down my arm there, so I think we may be onto a winner. Just need to edge all of the pins up again. Once that's going to be stuck. So let off the tension slightly. There. Picked. Little nightmare of a pick, but hopefully when I take the lock apart you're going to be able to see why these Tesa locks can be a nightmare. This one's stamped with the ukls stamp, number 43. I'll get the follower straight in the back. I did pick it this morning. This is the third video I've made because my SD card has recorded the bloody video, but then it was a corrupt file. It did that twice, and I haven't swore once. I'm very proud of myself. So in number 1 is a serrated key pin, 2, another one, 3, another one, 4, another, 5, another. Nothing to done with the plug because I looked earlier. Up top, driver number 1 is a tapered pin. 2 is another serrated pin. Sorry, tapered pin I meant to say there. That looks more like a standard pin, depending on which way you look at it. 4, tapered. 5, tapered as well. That one's got like a little serration on the end, I think. But yeah, nice lock, very tricky lock to pick, especially if you're not used to picking these types of lock. The Tesa are brilliant locks. I've got one on my channel already, but there's always place for more. So I'm glad to have that one done. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Please share it if you can. Leave your comments below. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. These things greatly help the channel's growth. Also, Locksport Anonymous is linked in the description below, which is our group. If you're not already there, do head over because we've got a giveaway going on. And it's for the 300 subscribers. We've hit 300 members. I think the channel's been running about 3-4 months now, so it's starting to pick up speed. It's full of really good pickers. So do us a favour, head over there if you're looking to get into Locksport and give us, at least come into the group and then judge it on its own merits. And if you like it, stay in. If not, you can always just depart and go to another group. But I'm sure when you get there, you'll love it. All of my social media is linked below if you want to get in contact with us. You have locks that you may want to send us, challenge locks, or locks that you want to loan us and just to see it picked on camera. And what I'll do is I'll link everyone's ID or username on the screen, so you all get that little bit more exposure, especially if you're a newer channel, which helps your growth as well. So I'll leave it at that. I hope everyone had a wicked Christmas. I hope you're going to have a really nice, happy New Year. And I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.